Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the most exciting place ever, the farm. Today we're going on a big adventure to meet 15 amazing animal friends who live here. They're going to teach us about their sounds, their jobs, and their favorite snacks. Ready to say hello to your new farm buddies? Let's move it. First, let's meet Daisy the cow. Daisy is one of the friendliest animals on the farm. Did you know cows have 4 stomachs to help them eat all that yummy grass? And guess what? Daisy gives us milk every day, which turns into cheese, yogurt, and even ice cream. Can you pretend to milk a cow like this? And don't forget to say moo with Daisy.
Out in the field where the flowers grow, you grace so calm, moving soft and slow, with big brown eyes that always shine. Dear gentle cow, you're a friend of mine. Oh, gentle cow, you're peaceful and kind, a heart so warm, with a soul that shines. You give us milk, you work so true. Dear gentle cow, I'm thankful for you. The morning sun paints you in gold, while you wander through the meadows bold. Your quiet moo calls out to say, I'm here to help, I'm here to stay. Oh, gentle cow, you're peaceful and kind, a heart so warm, with a soul that shines. You give us milk, you work so true. Dear gentle cow, I'm thankful for you. Through stormy skies or breezy days, you calmly stand and never stray. A friend so loyal, brave and wise, I see the kindness in your eyes. Oh, gentle cow, you're peaceful and kind, a heart so warm, with a soul that shines. You give us milk, you work so true. Dear gentle cow, I'm thankful for you. I'll always love you, my gentle cow. My gentle cow.
Whoa, look over here, friends. It's Oinky the Pig, and oh boy, does Oinky know how to have fun. Let's watch what Oinky's doing. That's right. Oinky is rolling in a big squishy mud puddle. But wait, why do pigs love mud so much? Well, pigs don't sweat like we do, so rolling in mud is like their very own air conditioner. It keeps them cool on sunny days and protects their pink skin from sunburn. Smart, right? But that's not all. Oinky can solve puzzles, learn tricks, and even recognize her own name. And guess what? Pigs have an amazing sense of smell. They can sniff out truffles, those are fancy mushrooms, buried deep underground. Now let's get messy with Oinky. Can you wiggle your fingers to make squishy mud sounds? Squish, squish, squish. And what does Oinky say when she's happy? Oink, oink. Let's shout it together. Oink, oink.
Down at the farm in the morning light, a little piggy is feeling just right. With a wiggle and a jiggle, she spins around, oinking and snorting. What a funny sound! Oink, oink, oink. Let's roll in the mud. Splish, splash, splosh. It's so much fun with a snout so round and a curly tail. Piggy's adventures never fail. Piggy jumps in a puddle, splat. Oh no! Mud on her ears and mud on her nose. She rolls and she tumbles, giggling with glee. That silly piggy just loves to be free. Oink, oink, oink. Let's roll in the mud. Splish, splash, splosh. It's so much fun with a snout so round and a curly tail. Piggy's adventures never fail. Piggy jumps in a puddle, splat. Oh no! Mud on her ears and mud on her nose. She rolls and she tumbles, giggling with glee. That silly piggy just loves to be free. Oink, oink, oink. Let's roll in the mud. Splish, splash, splosh. It's so much fun with a snout so round and a curly tail. Piggy's adventures never fail. She skips with the chickens, races the ducks, trots past the cows. Oh, what luck with hooves that dance and a happy heart. Piggy's party will never part. Oink, oink, oink. Let's roll in the mud. Splish, splash, splosh. It's so much fun with a snout so round and a curly tail. Piggy's party will never part. Hooray for Piggy, she's full of cheer. Our playful piggy, we love you, dear.
Quack, quack, quack. Look who's splashing into the spotlight. It's Daffy the Duck and her fabulous feathered family. Let's tiptoe to the pond and see what Daffy's up to today. Wow, Daffy's a superstar swimmer. Those webbed feet aren't just cute, they're like built-in paddles that help her zoom through the water. And check out her feathers. They're coated in special oil, so when Daffy dives underwater to snack on plants or tiny bugs, splash, she pops back up dry as a daisy. But wait, do you hear that? Daffy's talking to her ducklings. Baby ducks follow their mama everywhere, swimming in a perfect little line. Can you count how many ducklings are behind her? Let's say hello to the tiniest one. Here's a ducky secret. Ducks don't just quack, they also whistle, grunt, and even whisper to each other. And when it's time to fly, Daffy's wings are strong. Ducks can soar high in the sky for miles and miles.
Down by the ponds where the water's cool, the ducklings waddle, it's their golden rule. With webbed feet splashing, they march in line, quacking away and feeling fine. Duck, quack, quack, waddle to the beat. Flap your wings and stomp your feet. Paddle in the pond and shake your tail. Those dancing ducks will never fail. Duck dives down with a bubbly splash, popping back up with a joyful dash. He flips and flaps and shakes his head, then zooms through the water like a boat in red. Quack, quack, waddle to the beat. Flap your wings and stomp your feet. Paddle in the pond and shake your tail. Those dancing ducks will never fail.
waddling wide. Mama Duck leads the way with pride. They follow her steps, all in a row, quacking together, off they go. Quack, 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 waddle to the beat. Flap your wings and stomp your feet. Paddle in the pond and shake your tail. Those dancing ducks will never fail. Waddle and quack, then spin around. The happiest ducks in the whole wide town.